If you don't know what business to start, this video can save you months, maybe even years of confusion. Because most people are not failing in business, they are stuck before they even start. They keep thinking, keep searching, keep watching, but they never move. My name is Arli. I'm a Muslim entrepreneur from Indonesia. I've built multiple small businesses from zero, and I've helped thousands of people start their own business, even with very small capital. And today, I want to help you do the same, but in a very simple way. Let me guess. You want to start a business, but every time you try, you decide, you get stuck. You open YouTube, you search how to start a business, small business ideas, low budget business ideas, and you find hundreds of videos. Some people say start online business. Some say drop shipping. Some say build a personal brand. Some say invest. And instead getting clarity, you get overwhelmed. It's like going to a restaurant with 200 menu items. At first, you feel excited, but after 10 minutes, 20 minutes, you feel confused. And at the end, you don't choose anything. That's exactly what's happening to you right now in business. You're not lazy, you're not incapable, you are simply overwhelmed. Too many options without a clear way to choose. And this is the truth. The problem is not that you don't have ideas. The problem is you don't know how to choose the right one. And because you don't know how to choose, you keep delaying. Starting a business is not about finding a perfect idea. In fact, if you keep looking for a perfect idea, you will never start. Business is about starting with a simple idea that can work, then improving along the way. There's a famous concept in business called minimum viable product. It means you don't start perfect. You start with something simple that works. Even big companies start like this. They didn't wait until everything was perfect. They start small, then improved. So instead of chasing perfection, I want you to focus on clarity, and I give you a simple way to do that. The first thing you need to understand is this: don't start with idea, start with problem. Most beginners try to be creative. They want something unique, something new, something nobody has ever done before. But this is a mistake, because business is not about being creative first. Business is about solving problems. If you read many business books like The Lean Startup or even simple business case studies, you will see a pattern. The most successful businesses solve very clear problem, not complicated problem. Simple everyday problem. Look around you. People complain every day. This is where business comes from. When people complain, it means there is a pain, and where there is pain, there is opportunity. For example, people have dirty shoes. That is a problem. Someone creates a shoe cleaning product and people buy it. People have clothes with stain. That's a problem. Someone creates stain remover and people buy it. People are too busy to cook. That is a problem also. Someone sells ready to eat food and people buy it. Simple problem, simple solution, but real money. This is why you don't need a genius idea. You just need to observe problem that already exists. Business is not about inventing something new. Most of the time, it's about solving something better, faster, and simpler. The second thing you need to understand is this: use what you already have. Many people believe they need money to start business. They think, I don't have capital, so I can't start business. But if you study real entrepreneur, many of them started with almost nothing. There is a simple principle. You don't start with resources. You start with resourcefulness. That means use whatever you have right now. Ask yourself a simple question: what can I do today? You can cook, you can sell simple food. You can talk, you can sell product or become reseller. You can explain things, you can teach something, even something basic. You can help people, you can oversell fish. You don't need to be the best. You don't need to be an expert. You just need to be useful to someone. Think about this. When your phone is broken, you don't look for the best technician in the world. You just look someone someone who can fix your problem. That's it. That's how simple business works. The third thing you need to understand is this. Don't follow your passion first. Follow the market. It might sound uncomfortable, but it is very important. Many people are told to follow your passion, but if you follow your passion has no market, you will struggle. Instead of asking what do I like, start by asking what are people already buy. Go to marketplace, scroll on social media, look at the ads, look at what people are selling again and again. If people keep buying something, that means there is demand. In business, demand is everything. You can have the best product, but if nobody wants it, it will fail. But even a simple product can succeed if people already want it. So don't try to be different too early. First, enter the market, understand it, then you can improve and differentiate later. Let me simplify everything for you. If you don't know what business to start, just follow this simple direction. Find real problem. Use your current ability. Follow what people already buy. That's it. You don't need anything more complicated than this. But here is the real problem. Even after understanding this, many people still don't start. Why? Because they are waiting for the perfect idea, waiting for perfect time, waiting for they feel confident. But confidence doesn't come before action. Confidence comes after action. It's like learning how to swim. You can watch video, read book, listen to advice, but until you enter the water, you will never really learn. Business is the same. Let me be very honest for you. Your first business will not be perfect. Your first product will not be amazing. Your first attempt might fail, but that's normal. That's part of the process. If you look at the successful entrepreneur, most of them didn't success on the first try. They try, fail, learn, and improve. That's how progress works. Business is about being perfect. It's about getting better. So after watching this video, don't go back to watching more and more content. Do some simple. Look around you. Write down 3 problems you see daily life. Choose one problem that you understand, then think of simple way to solve it and try to offer the solution to someone today. It doesn't have to be big, it doesn't have to be perfect, it just has to be real. Because the biggest difference between people who succeed and who don't is not intelligence, it's action. I've seen many people with great ideas who never start. And I've seen people with very simple ideas who take action and succeed. So don't wait. Start small, start simple, but start now. If you want to learn how to start business from zero, how to build with low capital, and how to grow step by step in practical way, subscribe this channel. I will guide you step by step. See you in the next video.